Hi.
Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogtober Day 2. If you are new to the channel, what Juliet and I are doing is we are counting down from Halloween. So we are doing 31 videos in 31 days. Each day we are opening a gift or gifts from Grammi. She is the one that curated Vlogtober, and we are just counting down to Halloween because it's super fun. If you love these kind of countdown videos, we've done Vlogtober, I believe this is our 5th year, so I will link the other Vlogtobers in the description below, and I have created a playlist, so if you join us late into Vlogtober, you can catch up on all the unboxing videos. Definitely go check out day 1 because we got in some epic stuff and we had fun with Grammi in that video.
Yeah.
All right, so let's dive in. Today we have 3 gifts. They're all family. So Juliet, you start.
It's cobwebs.
Ooh, this is awesome. And it's like black light one. So you hit your black light on it and it'll be even more like neon looking. So that's really cool. All right, you do the next one, I'll do the third one.
More cobwebs.
More cobwebs. This is a white. I'm gonna guess this one's purple. I was wrong.
More green.
More green. These are fun. What should we do with these?
We can hang them like.
What do you think? Maybe outside.
Yeah.
Because this stuff is so fun, but I don't know if you guys have tried to like clean it up after the fact, and it's a little gnarly. It would actually look really cool in the tree, but
We have options.
well, we have a lot of options. We're not going to get crazy. Okay, you guys, that is it for day 2. We will see you tomorrow for day 3. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.